Azure OpenAI is the wrong tool to catch duplicate receipts. It invents matches and burns tokens on exact comparisons. Duplicates are deterministic. You hash the extracted fields and compare. This is for teams building expense or insurance claim pipelines. Azure AI Document Intelligence returns over 20 fields per receipt. We cover 3 things: field extraction, duplicate rules, and model reasoning. One of those hides a token trap. Stay for it. Here is the wiring, end to end. A receipt lands in blob storage and triggers a function. Document Intelligence extracts merchant, total, date, and line items. We build a fingerprint and check Cosmos DB for a match. Only the ambiguous cases go to Azure OpenAI. That keeps cost low and decisions auditable. Start with the pre-built receipt model. No training needed. Call begin analyze document with the receipt bytes. You get typed fields with confidence scores attached. Reject anything below about 0.8 confidence. Low confidence fields poison every downstream rule. Raw fields are messy. Normalize before you compare. Uppercase the merchant name and strip punctuation. Round the total to 2 decimals in one currency. Parse the date into an ISO format. Concatenate these into one string and hash it. That SHA-256 hash is your fingerprint. Store each fingerprint in Cosmos DB as the item ID. A new receipt with the same ID is an exact duplicate. Reject it immediately. No model call required. But fraudsters tweak one digit to dodge exact matching. So also query by merchant and date within a window. Near matches are the gray zone. That is the trap. Here is the token trap I promised. Do not send full receipt images to the model. Send only the extracted fields of the near matches. Ask it to judge if they are the same purchase. Use structured outputs and temperature 0 for stable answers. You get a verdict, a confidence, and a reason. That reason string is your audit trail. How do you know it works? Test each layer. Submit the same receipt twice. Expect an instant reject. Change the total by 1 cent. Expect a near match. Confirm that case reaches the model, not the hash. Log token usage per receipt. Watch it stay near 0. Most receipts should never touch Azure OpenAI. Recap the design in 4 moves. Extract with document intelligence and gate on confidence. Fingerprint and hash to catch exact duplicates for free. Query a time window to surface near matches. Send only those to Azure OpenAI for a reasoned verdict. Prices and models shift, so check the current Azure docs. Subscribe if you want the repo walkthrough next. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.